Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about feelings in English. Love. He loves music. Like. He likes his job. Hate. He hates spiders. Happy. I am happy today. Sad. She is sad because her cat is sick. Angry. She is angry at her friend. Upset. I feel upset about the test. Cold. I am cold. Hot. I am hot. Thirsty. I'm thirsty. I want some water. Hungry. He is hungry. Let's eat something. Well. I feel well today. Ill. He is ill. He needs to rest. Tired. I'm tired after work. Surprised. She is surprised to see you. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson.